Yes, family, give thanks to another great rise. Well, you know, I already go. We have a special guest are coming today, you know. Yeah, man, me only not touch the road. I'm going to pick up a special guest today. So now I already know. We're not going to send time reach the train station. Alright? Yeah, man. We're going to take a run down the road and pick them up. And we'll see who it is a little bit later. Alright? So we're going to stay tuned. And we will see who our special guest is. Alright? So, see you shortly. Alright, family. So, Lynn is going inside the train station. We're at Union Station picking up our special guest. So, she's going inside to get them right now. And we will see you back at the house. Alright? Stay tuned. Alright, so we're back in the kitchen. As I told you, we got some special guests. Rotate. Who's that? Say hi. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, everybody.
That's David. That's my father-in-law. It's Lynn's dad. Say hi. And that's Joyce. It's my mother-in-law, Lynn's mom. So, as always, a special guest in the house, so we have to cook. Well, we cook anyway, but we still got to cook something special.
There you go.
So, we're gonna do these pork chops. We're just gonna fry them up. We're gonna do the pork chops first, then we're gonna do the ribs. I'm sorry, fish. I said ribs. I'm in the mood for some ribs.
You trying to think so good, but you don't need to show me.
No, not yet.
Funky fried ribs. One more in there.
Yeah.
All right. Last one. So pork chops are on the fire. We're gonna let those cook. And once we get the pork chops done, we're gonna do the fish. All right. So we gotta do it North Carolina style. I come from North Carolina, so I do it North Carolina style. All right. So we check you shortly. We'll check off the pork chops and put on the fish. Simple dinner tonight. This is very easy. All right. So we'll see you shortly. Oh.
When you went to Vegas, did you see any of your old friends and stuff?
No. Well, actually, yeah, I did. They came by. They came by. We did the cookout.
Okay.
They came by.
Whether it's the same.
All right, so as you can see, the pork chop is done.
Put together the
I'll
call.
put on the fish.
That's a good. Is they still live together up there? I'll be right back.
All right, so fish is on. We're gonna finish that up, and then we're gonna make a little gravy so we can put on the pork chops on the fish. All right. So let's see your shot. All right, we are done. Food is ready, and I made some sauce. Go with the food. So, who's getting food first?
Not me.
There you gonna get some food?
Yeah, go ahead, Joe. I didn't want to be on camera. You know,
The camera shot.
Anybody go to the post office and see me? All right then.
So I made some sauce.
It all looked good.
So
Myself.
you gotta make your plate.
Okay, I like a piece of that pork chop if you don't mind. Me and Josh, this isn't too big for that, you know.
Hey, there you go. That big piece of pork chop. Yep.
Thank you.
All right. We got fish.
Yeah, I'm gonna try some rice. You know, George.
Yeah. So here you go.
George, y'all gotta get your own fish first. George eat that by herself. Okay, and I'll take a little of this sauce, please.
Let me get you a spoon. I'm gonna put the sauce to the side,
Okay.
so that way you can just put what you like on there, so it's not too much sauce.
All right. Thank you very much. That's
Okay.
good. Okay, because we got.
What do you want?
Rice.
You want fish or you want rice? You got the rice.
Rice looks good. I ain't supposed
So
to eat a
you
lot
want
of
fish or pork chop?
fish.
You're not supposed to do what?
Eat a lot of rice and potatoes. They want
Alright, you want some sauce
yeah.
on the side? Okay, like I said, rotate your, yeah, there you go. Rotate your plate.
That sauce is good.
Put the sauce to the side, so you can put it on your plate however much you want. Alright, we are good to go. Lynn?
Fish.
You gonna fix your own plate.
Really?
I don't know
That's
why-
what we doing?
I don't know why you even asked. You're gonna fix your own plate. So
Bring the fork. This fork. Want to go?
everybody makes their own plate. You getting pork chops or just fish?
I don't want a whole one.
Hmm?
I don't want a whole one.
Well, there's a smaller one right here.
Here, Oh, big. Look at that.
Well, fits on the plate. Okay, so I'm gonna make my plate. Right there. Everybody's scared of the pork chops. We got salad too. We got salad too. Want some salad? All right, family. So we are good to go. We're gonna eat some food. All right. This is just day one. All right. So check in the rest of the week or we're going. All right. So stay tuned for tomorrow. All right. All right, family. My taste of the floor mashed me up. So right now, I make some homemade remedy. See if it work. So in the cup, I got some elderberry, some lemon juice. All right, and then we're gonna do some got some ginger with some hot water grated, fresh ginger. And then last but not least, we got a little bit of honey. Yeah man, look how cold it is. I tell you, I mash me up, so I go for the old, one of the old remedy them, you know? I don't have the cold bush for them over Jamaica, which was really good. And for the people from my generation, they know if you get the cold bush, I'm telling you, you drink that one time, boil down, and drink it, everything come off of your chest. So, right now, I'm gonna do the elderberry with the ginger, fresh ginger, lemon juice, and some honey, and see if that helps. Because what happens is your body, I never realized as I got older, I know I have allergies. So I guess it's part of getting old, because I'm never allergic to nothing. Maybe negative people may allergic to, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna test this out and see how it works. See if this clears up some of the congestion. Alright? So cheers to the home remedy.
Is it tart?
Need some more honey. Woo! Woo! I mean, it's the honey's just for taste, but woo! That lemon.
Give you lockjaw.
Oh yeah, but what do they call it? Lockjaw? Yeah. My cheeks locked up. I don't want to put too much on it. But If it's good for you, it never tastes good. Funny enough. Ooh, rough. But we'll see how it works. Alright, stay tuned. Yes, family. Yeah, we start checking in. As you can see, I look rough. What I'm at to say, whatever is going around, this cold, this flu, I want it to mash me up, man. So we still had a good time, you know. Yeah, man. You know, the parents come to visit and we had a great time. Even though I wish I could have, you know, cooked some more for them, but I didn't want this thing to spread, you know. Yeah, I wasn't feeling too well, so just cook good thing we cooked the first day, and then, you know, we never have an opportunity to really come out and cook again, because I tell them in the bed rest for like last 24 hours, you know. And I try every kind of remedy that's out there, home remedy, medicine, everything. And why I tell you, this cough and all going. So I don't know what is going around, but why? You have to check on yourself, yeah, man. Be careful. You don't know. You don't want to change of weather, every little thing will go on. Yeah, man. So that's what I said. It was still a joy. Still a joy having them here to visit and things. So that's what I said. From the year start, well, from Thanksgiving, you know, my father come visit, and then my mother come visit for Christmas, you know, most of the family come visit, and then now we have the rest of the other side of the family come visit, you know, so it's been a joy. So you know what that means, you know, so we have to hit the road, you know, because I guess now we don't have the excuse, because everybody come visit me. So I guess that's gonna be next, we're gonna hit the road, alright? But right now it's cool still, so I'm gonna kick back a little bit, wait till we get better, you know, and then we're gonna hit the road, because we got some things we gotta get done. We got some fishing, all the things we have to do this year, alright? So I hope you guys just enjoy this little short video. That's what I say. I wish I could have cooked a lot more, but I know I'm stay already. Anytime I throw down. I always have to cook for food, but next time, I promise you, David, Joyce, yeah man, I'm gonna make sure somebody make up for that one day, you know? But you know where it go already. So until the next time, family, stay tuned. We have another epic one coming up for you. Alright? That's what I say. Give thanks for life. Do something good for somebody. Alright? Pay it forward. And I will see you on the next one. Alright? God bless.